Hey everyone, this is Minakshi Karwa and you're watching Tip with Tales. If you're new to my channel, please subscribe my channel and also press the bell icon ting 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 so that you get notified whenever I post a new video. So guys, our today's video is for all of us who are trying to survive this pandemic and who are struggling between lockdown and the study schedule and who are fighting for the safety from coronavirus. So today I've got you a list of 5 things which will help you boost your immunity and improve your focus and concentration so that you can concentrate on your studies despite of all the distractions in this lockdown. So to start with, we all know that health is wealth and we all know that a healthy life will ultimately lead to a happy and wealthy life. So currently our basic good health means not only fighting coronavirus but every other virus. In short, we need to be healthy and safe. And how do we do that? We'll do that with a good immune system.
So the first thing to do is boosting your immunity. And how do you do that? These are some home remedies to boost your immunity. Ginger, garlic, turmeric, lemon and honey. These are one of the best sources to boost your immune system. Try to consume all of them at least once in a day. You can have it in form of ginger lemon tea or in form of detox water, which includes boiling all of these ingredients in water and then having them.
So this is how a simple drink once in a day can help us boost our immune system and fight all this kind of viruses. The second most important thing in the list is
drink more water. Drinking more water during these summers will keep you hydrated, light, active, fresh all day long and will help you concentrate in your studies.
Drinking 12 to 16 glasses of water in a day is actually a solution to almost all problems of a human body. So yes, it is a very important thing. Moving on, the third thing in the list is go stress free.
Don't be too hard on yourself. Let it go. Do not stress at anything.
When you stress upon a particular thing, your body releases a stress hormone, which will just produce negative vibes all over and will never let you concentrate on your goal. So never stress. Just let it go, and stressing won't help. Acting will. Moving to our next point, which is about hygiene and which is very important to fight coronavirus.
Sanitize your hands at regular intervals before and after you touch any outside product or any unknown product. Wash all the stuffs properly before using them, especially the fruits and vegetables we buy from outside. Even the places where you stay the maximum time, where you work and study, your chairs, tables, furnitures, they all need to be sanitized at regular intervals. Wash your hands every 1 hour with soap and water at least for 20 seconds.
So this was all about personal hygiene. Following all this will help you minimize the chances of your infections. Moving on, the next in line is what do we eat to maintain this healthy lifestyle?
Last but not the least is eat more veggies and fruits. They will help you to regulate your digestive system, boost up your immunity and also keep you full so that you don't crave for those junk in this infection pandemic. Along with eating healthy, you should also exercise. So at least for half an hour of a day, do some kind of exercises which will keep your body active and moving. Along with that, it will increase your metabolism and keep your mind working instead of getting tired and sluggish. Also, the yoga and power yoga and meditation, they can help you find your inner peace, your focus, your concentration, which will help you in your studies like anything.
So these were the list of 5 important things which will help you to fight coronavirus and any other infections or viruses and also help you to concentrate in your studies despite of all these distractions in the lockdown. But hold on, ये सब बोलने में तो इतना अच्छा लगता है, करना इतना easy है? नहीं. So for that, we need to follow one more thing.
You need to plan out your day in your target book. ये सब एक साथ अचानक सुना तो it may seem difficult, but I believe when you have written down what you're gonna do in a day, then things won't be more difficult for you. And it's better to plan your day so that you won't miss out on any important thing, and it will also help you to lead a very balanced and healthy as well as happy and stress-free life.
So this was all about our today's video. Please do watch the video till the end and do let me know in the comment box about your views and opinions about the video, and also do share it with all your dear and near ones so that all can fight coronavirus together. So I'll see you in the next video. Till then, take care. Bye bye.